we're good to go. Hello, I'm Pavlos. I'm the CTO of Sky Robotics, a Greek robotics startup. So robotics is difficult stuff, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. We are building an ecosystem of components, including motors, sensors, and controllers, coupled together through intuitive software. This system will allow for fast and easy development of consumer-grade robots, even from non-experts. And we believe that it is those people that will bring a whole new perspective in the consumer robotics market and will really make a difference. So whether it's a dancing robot or an assistive arm, every robot starts here. Robotics is an emerging market. In 2014 only, it has been a $10 billion industry. Big companies like Amazon and Google are already making strategic investments towards robotics, while consumer robotics companies are already raising funds and creating large revenues. It is predicted that by 2020, robotics will be a $100 billion market. In order to develop a robot today, there are currently two options. Either build everything from scratch, basically reinventing the wheel, which results in several years of development and a bulk load of money. Or you can buy off-the-shelf components, sacrificing performance and optimization, while some customization is still needed. That means that a multidisciplinary team is required, while the novelty of the products is solely based on the application. Our entire team has been building robots for years, both in research and for companies. And what we've all witnessed is that building robots remains hard. Choosing all the different components like motors, sensors, electronics, power distribution, and making them all work together takes a lot of time and a lot of experience. So there are currently two things missing from the robot scene: high-performance actuators at a reasonable cost, and an effortless end-to-end system integration of all robot subsystems. Our product allows for robot building as it should be, fast and easy without sacrifices. In terms of development time, everything is plug and play. In terms of power and features, everything is compact in an affordable package. In terms of price, it delivers more while costing less. Using our product, one can save a lot of money and time and has the ability to to allocate those resources to product improvement. The Opera system works with any high-level controller with an Ethernet interface. Opera modules are connected through a one-cable solution that provides power and communication and is plug and play. And one can also easily connect third-party hardware like cameras, sensors, or manipulators via our adapter interface. Opera will provide the hardware building blocks that are modular, customizable, and expandable, and are cost-optimized for production. They come with plug-and-play software layer, and they reduce the overall time needed to go to the market. All in all, it's an end-to-end robot building tool. Our product is currently the only solution that has the required features for seamless robot development, those being high performance and small size, the ease of use, the expandability, and the cost. Recently, we have concluded our market evaluation, and it shows that the market is not quite ready for consumer robotics. So we will use our academic connection to secure grants while we continue the final product development. In addition, we will provide services for build-to-order robots. Furthermore, our research has showed that small arm manipulators are the perfect market fit for the Opera solution. In the long run, we will develop Opera to be the OEM part of robots while creating revenue from high-volume hardware sales. Licensing for commercial use will also provide additional revenue. Opera-based arms for small production lines will be able to perform simple tasks and work alongside humans, thus reducing the production line cost. They will provide good performance, will be safe to work with as they will implement force control, can be task programmable by example, and will integrate image processing and machine learning features. In order to protect our investment, we will have closed source for the core components, while on select components, we will release the source code in order for the users to be able to customize it and expand their products. Currently, we are in the process of filing for provisional patents for the form factors and mechanical combination, and we will do the same in the future for the communication protocols. In addition, our software will be hardware locked. Our team has been together since roughly 2009, and we all have a PhD level education. We also have great experience in robotics, electronics, embedded systems, and mechanical design. Mr. Yokas has also joined our board, whose experience after performing a successful exit in 2014 with his startup will be of great value. Currently, we have received an EU grant for a joint venture with ETH, whose new robot and subsequent spin-off will use our electronics. EPFL Biorobots will use the Opera platform as well. And now we have close collaboration with Qualcomm and the Brain Corporation for our product line. 2015 has been an exciting year so far. We joined the MITEF startup competition, we got accepted to the Qualcomm Robotics Accelerator program, raising our first funds, and have already moved to San Diego to start working with Qualcomm towards our final prototype. By September, we will have developed a demo setup of our platform and established strategic partnerships, as well as finished the seed funding round. In 2016, we plan to complete the Opera platform development along with the first Opera-based products and engage in promotional activities that will secure us more funding. It is our belief that by 2018 to 2020, we will have begun producing revenue in the range of millions while broadening our product line. Thank you very much.
Spot on, Pavli. Well, 5 minutes, counting.
Yep.
You said you've moved to San Diego.
Yep.
Have you actually moved the team there or the headquarters?
Actually, half of the team is already there. The Qualcomm Robotics Accelerator started in May, and we're actually leaving this Saturday, joining them until September. So yeah, that's it. We're all going there.
Why San Diego?
Because that's where Qualcomm is situated. They have, the Qualcomm Robotics Accelerator has given us free space in their premises so we can build our company. Thank you very much.